Hello and welcome to World Travel Slideshow. In this clip we take you to Guadeloupe, a lovely island in the French Caribbean. It's got great beaches, beautiful forests and some very nice scuba diving. We start in the lovely botanical garden at the town of De Hay, where they have some beautiful fish, lovely birds and great flowers. Of course, Guadeloupe also has amazing beaches, some of them almost deserted. It's time to go scuba diving. Around Pigeon Island, there's even a statue underwater of the famous scuba diving and wildlife protection pioneer Jacques Cousteau. And Guadeloupe has some spectacular sunsets. Quaint little museums and art galleries are dotted all over the island. Our favorite, Maison du Cacao, the chocolate house. It's time to go into the forest to enjoy some lovely green scenery, spectacular waterfalls and beautiful wildlife. From the forest, we go back to the beautiful beaches, waiting for another gorgeous sunset. We hope you have enjoyed our presentation on the lovely island of Guadeloupe. Thanks for watching World Travel Slideshow. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you. For more presentations, please also visit our YouTube channel, Asia Travel Slideshow, and our YouTube channel, Thailand Travel Slideshow. Thank you.